Hey guys, it's me Ben here at Neha Wireless, just going live for a quick second. So, as you can see from my caption, you can lease anything in our store. No credit is needed at all. And anything that you see in our store, you can take home with you for as little as $80 down. We have all types of gaming, laptops, phones, accessories, rides for the kids, karaoke machines, TVs, electric scooters. We also do phone repair. We do everything here at Neha Wireless. So guys, make sure that if you are needing any type of phone repair, you take it to the best place in town for the best price, Neha Wireless. And if you are looking for another device or another phone, we can always help you with that. There's no credit needed for our lease programs. It's as little as $80 down, and you can go home with a 14 Pro Max or a PlayStation 5 or both. So again, no credit needed for our leasing programs, nothing like that. We're really easy about getting people approved. About 97 to 98% or more get approved to apply. So come check us out here in Neha Wireless, and we'll see what we can help you work out with today.